Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix error code 1053. The servers did not respond to the start. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box and type a registry editor. Right click, run as administrator. After opening that, click on a H key local machine and expand it. After doing this step, select a system and expand it. After doing this step, select a current control set and expand it. After doing this step, select a control and in this right click, go to new and select the DW 32-bit value and set a name is services pipe. P is a capital and timeout T is a capital. After doing this step, double click and open it and change the value data is 180000. After doing this step, click on OK button and close the registry editor and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, type a sfc /scan now, press enter. After doing this step, scanning will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process, so just wait it. Okay guys, after completing that, once again type a DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and press enter. Okay guys, it's required of a few settings to few minutes to complete the process, so I just wait to complete this process. Okay guys, after completing that, restart your computer, and after doing this, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.